So here's how to hide and unhide apps on a Samsung phone. So for that reason, you need to go to the settings on your mobile phone, and then from here you need to scroll it down and you will find out the home screen option. So tap on that once again, and then from here scroll it down and you will find out the hide apps. So tap on that once again, and as you can see, there are also all of these applications. So if we just go back and try to find out one apps like ChatGPT, so we will select the ChatGPT and try to hide it down. So let's do it. Like, here is the ChatGPT, so I will select this one and tap on done. So if we go back and try to find out, as you can see, there is no ChatGPT application here. So that's how you can simply hide the applications. So to unhide the application, you need to go once again to the hide apps option and then simply select this app and you are done. Simply tap on done and you are done. So it is back. So that's how you can hide and unhide apps on a Samsung device. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.